Hello everyone, Dion Vian's fan here, and this is actually my first one, so I'm going to rant on rainy days. You know, I actually can't stand rainy days. No, yes, actually coming here in the UK. I mean, yes, it's like it rains most of the week here in my country. Yeah, not just rain. In, yeah, I'm pretty sure we all know rains in the Pacific Northwest too. And rainforests, which sucks. Yeah, I understand why we need rain for the environment, but still, man, I don't know what's wrong with Mother Nature. Does she think it's funny? Way more. And not just that sports, you can't have fun outside and rain, but I even heard NFL and baseball games get postponed too because of rain, because of that. But NBA and NHL don't, since they play indoors. I mean, and not just that. I even heard that snow will go extinct in 20 few decades from now because of fucking climate change. I mean, it, you know, it's it's sad that snow, sad, sad that my future won't play in the snow. I mean, yeah, we do have snow here in my area. Even not just Canada will experience snow winters in 20 years, but Russia, Scandinavia, Antarctica, the Midwest and Northeast will experience snow winters too. But at least and Denver too. It's sad. How the hell are we gonna make a snowman? Man, fuck climate change. Yeah, also wheat days has cons, I guess, cause if you want plants on plant and you can let the rain and grow your seed for you if you see the rain in your backyard. Yeah, you can also get splashed by vehicles that are moving and get soaked. Really embarrassing. I don't know which is the rainiest city or country in the world, but I think it might be Indonesia, Brazil, or India. Yeah, they have to deal with both are tropical climates. Well, even Philippines too. Only lasts from June to September in India. So, if you live in a tropical place, then you have to deal with rain during the summer. Yeah, tropical places, including Miami too, including Florida. What's rainy? Okay, place that has most rainy days is actually more swimming in India. This is one reason why India sucks, in my opinion. So, that's all I have to say in my rant. Goodbye, guys.